Are you ready to turn your website into the lead magnet that it can be for your business? Well, great, because websites are the best way to get leads for a house cleaning business, but there are some things that you need to know if you want your website to convert visitors and website traffic into paying customers and customer leads for your business. In this video, I'm going to tell you 7 tips that are going to help turn your website into something where people just browsing want to convert on the lead form, call your business, or become a paying customer one way or the other. There's some simple things that you can do to optimize your website so that the traffic that you get turns into people who are actual customers. We're going to learn to do this even if you have no web development experience, even if you've never built a website before, if you're already on the Mighty Sites platform, just to help you clean it up and make sure you're optimizing it to use it the best way possible. And by the end of this video, you're going to feel really comfortable looking at your own website and knowing, okay, here's the things that I can do to help streamline the process and make my website better converting into leads for my house cleaning service. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Well, first, why is a well-optimized website so important for a house cleaning business? Well, here's the thing. Visitors are very used to going to websites to peruse for information, but lots of websites turn people off from actually contacting that business, whether it's submitting a lead form or calling that business. And the reason is because we're so overwhelmed with information as consumers that often we don't get led down the path to actually make contact with a business. So you might have done all this hard work to market your business and gotten this person to come check out your website, and then they never submitted the lead form. Well, here's how we fix that. You have a website that's designed well so that it actually increases the likelihood that person will choose your business after looking at your website. These are the 7 tips that we're going to go through today. It's a fancy word called conversion rate optimization. We don't need to worry about all that. We're just going to talk about the simple things that you can do so that your website better converts visitors to paying customers. Okay, first and foremost, you need to keep your website as tidy as you keep your clients' homes. A clean layout, easy navigation, and readable fonts make your website inviting for users. Remember, less is often more. The big mistake here is jumbling up your website with a whole bunch of things because you feel like you got to say everything to every customer and put every bit of information on there. That's often a turnoff because then people don't know where to go. You want to give them the information in an easy to navigate, clean way so that they can quickly and easily figure out who they want and get to submitting the lead form or calling your business. Number 2, you have to be clear about what you offer. Whether it's deep cleaning, regular maintenance, or eco-friendly options, list your services in a straightforward way. Use icons or images on your website to make that information stand out in a visual way so that they can intuitively understand what it is you offer them, because often they have an idea in their mind of what type of cleaning or service they want. You got to demonstrate quickly and clearly that that's what you're going to offer. Next, show off your skills with before and after photos. So use the gallery on your Mighty Sites website. If you don't have it yet, it's only $9 a month. Links in the description below. You can add a gallery of photos or use your Instagram plugin to connect that to your website. Often people are just looking for before and after photos, visual proof that you can do the work that you say you do, and they want to see that your amazing work is there. That's going to help turn website visitors into customer leads. It's like a digital portfolio of your cleaning. Now, that's going to do a lot to build trust with your customers because then they see your work in action. Number 4, let your satisfied customers do the talking. That means include testimonials on your website. A few positive words from real customers can greatly boost your credibility and in turn encourage those website visitors to submit that lead form or call your business to set up a time for you to come clean. Number 5, make it easy to reach you. Have a very clear contact us section, whether it's the lead form or the phone number or email, or even just connecting you to social where they can use Messenger or things like that. Make the information apparent and obvious on your Mighty site or any other small business website platform that you use. Make that information to contact you clear and obvious, and then have it in multiple places on your website, like the header and the footer, and then call to action buttons throughout your website. Number 6, embrace the convenience of online booking. Let clients schedule appointments directly from your website. It's efficient for you and convenient for them. This doesn't have to cost you any money. all you have to do is link to either your Google Calendar or a free booking link from Calendly. Check out our other videos. We explain how to do that. Just link to free software. There's plenty of it now. Link from the Book Now button on your website to free software that lets them book an appointment with you. That's how easy it should be for your customers to then say, oh, okay, great, I can book right now. It saves them time, makes it efficient, and puts it right on your calendar when you have an open slot. Finally, tip number 7, keep your website fresh. Regularly update it with new photos, special offers, or cleaning tips. A dynamic website attracts more visitors. So if they have a reason to come back, like let's say that you put special offers on there often, they're gonna come back and check it out and know, hey, I remember that cleaning company. I think they have a lot of special offers. Maybe I need a move out cleaning or something like that. Let me go back to that website and see if they have anything going on, right? So if you have fresh content, especially like deals and offers, it encourages people to go back more often. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button so that it reaches more local business owners who are trying to make their business a success just like you. And that's 7 tips to help make your house cleaning business website shine. If you implement these simple strategies, I assure you, you're going to help convert more customers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, keep your business growing. Wishing you mighty success, and check out the next videos for more you can do to grow your local business.